Over the past 70 years, China Railway Construction Corporation Limited, CRCC, has become one of the largest and most powerful integrated construction groups in both China and the world. CRCC was ranked 42nd among Fortune Global 500 and 3rd among top 250 global contractors. It was also ranked 14th among E&O, the top 150 global design firms in 2021. The company's business covers project contracting, survey design consultation, investment services, real estate development, equipment manufacturing, material supply and logistics, environment protection, financing services, and emergency industry, etc. CRCC is a pioneer and leader in railway construction in China and has independently designed and constructed for more than 120,000 kilometers of railway across China. CRCC independently surveyed and designed the world's highest plateau railway, the Qinghai-Tibet Railway, and constructed more than 70% of this railway, which includes all sections over 4,900 meters above sea level. CRCC has fully mastered the integrated design and construction technologies of 350 kilometers an hour high-speed railways with its electrified facilities and has set up 50% of China's high-speed railway construction standards. CRCC has designed and constructed many outstanding projects, such as the Beijing-Tianjin Intercity Passenger Dedicated Line, the first 350 kilometers an hour high-speed railway in China, the Zhengzhou-Suzhou high-speed railway, connecting China's eastern and western high-speed rail network, with the train passing a speed of 420 kilometers an hour, and the Beijing-Shanghai high-speed railway, with the highest standard in the world, establishing the world's highest operational running speed. China has entered the era of high-speed railways. CRCC's leading position in this field is becoming more and more prominent. CRCC is a main force in expressway construction and has so far completed over 50,000 kilometers of high-level expressways in China. As a pioneer in various urban rail transit systems, CRCC participates in the construction of urban rail transit nearly 3,000 kilometers throughout China. He constructed Beijing Metro Line 1, the first metro line in China, the Chongqing Light Rail, the first straddle-type monorail transit line in China, the Tianjin Light Rail, the first monorail tram line in China, the Shanghai Maglev Rail Transit Line, the first commercially operative maglev line in the world, and especially the Changsha Low-Speed Maglev Line, the first line with independent intellectual property rights in China. With rich experience in the construction of high-rise buildings over 300 meters, CRCC has been the pacesetter in designing and constructing the mega, large and medium modernized railway hubs and stations. CRCC takes a world-leading position in design and construction technologies in special structure bridge, long and wide tunnel and underwater tunnel. CRCC has designed and constructed the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge, the longest cross-sea bridge in the world, the Fuzhou-Pingtan Railway Bridge, the first combined highway and railway bridge in China, the Xiamen-Xiang'an Submarine Tunnel, the first submarine tunnel in mainland China, the Nanjing-Yangtze Highway Tunnel, crossing the Yangtze River, and the Haihe Tunnel, by first adopting the pipeline sinking technology, etc. The total length of all bridges built by CRCC is more than 24,000 kilometers, equivalent to the length of constructing a bridge from east to west over the Pacific Ocean. The total length of all tunnels built by CRCC is more than 21,000 kilometers, among which over 150 tunnels are over 10 kilometers long, equivalent to the length of digging a tunnel between the South Pole and the North Pole. CRCC conducts overseas business in more than 130 countries and regions around the world, and independently constructed 70% of the overseas railway projects built by Chinese enterprises. It constructed the Tanzania-Zambia Railway, the first overseas railway project, the Ankara-Istanbul high-speed railway in Turkey, with a speed of 250 kilometers an hour, the Mecca-Medina high-speed railway in Saudi Arabia, with a speed of 360 kilometers an hour, the Ethiopia-Djibouti Railway Project, the electrified cross-border railway involving the whole industry chain of design, construction, procurement of machinery and equipment, facilitation in financing and operation management. CRCC has been operating and managing the Mecca-Muqaddasa metro line in Saudi Arabia safely and successfully for 7 years. With the implementation of its Go Global strategy, CRCC was the first Chinese contractor engaging in overseas contracting business and also a pioneer of Chinese enterprises in overseas railway construction under the Belt and Road Initiative. Upholding the idea of win-win cooperation, CRCC has gained high social recognition by constructing excellent overseas projects, cultivating overseas technical talents, providing plenty of job opportunities for social employment, and participating in the social public welfare activities in the project countries. CRCC is the main manufacturer of materials and machinery for railway construction. It has the largest underground equipment and machinery base and has realized customized R&D and intelligent manufacturing of full range of TBM with diameters from 0.5 meters to 23 meters. It designed and produced the TBM with the largest diameter in China, Jinhua. The capacity of manufacturing large-size road maintenance equipment ranks #1 in Asia and the second in the world. CRCC's large railway maintenance machinery products account for over 80% of the domestic market. As one of the only 2 producers of high-speed rail products in China, CRCC is quite potential in this field. CRCC has repeatedly gained the highest ranking in the S&P International and has increased annual return by fully participating in several major businesses, including expressway construction, urban rail transit, railway, industrial area and real estate development under such models as PPP, BOT, and equity investment. CRCC is also the world's largest railway engineering, logistics and material trade service provider, ranking top 10 among China's top 50 logistics enterprises for several years in a row. With strong technical strength, outstanding technical personnel, an excellent management team, and 10 billion RMB annual investments in scientific research, CRCC is marching toward the goal to be a world-class infrastructure builder you may rely on in economic, technical, and competitive capacity with high-value creativity. CRCC, constructing today, leading tomorrow.